Hi everyone, this is your class teacher. Today we are going to begin with grade 3 addition and subtraction part 1. Okay, we are going to be maths detectives. I hope you are equally excited. So let's begin. We are going to move to our three houses, that is hundreds, tens and units house. Okay, so whenever one is burdened, we push it on to the other one. We take help from the other one or the neighbors. So remember three house, units, tens and hundreds. Okay, first remember the golden rule. We always move from this side, from the unit side. We move from unit sides and move towards the hundreds house. Alright, so there was a compass which was 145 rupees and an umbrella which was 320 rupees. So how much rupees is this girl supposed to pay the shopkeeper? Let's find out. It's 145 plus 320. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 4, 5 and 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So the girl is supposed to pay 465 rupees to the shopkeeper. Next, always remember, if let's example you have to add 10. So remember the jumping line. 235 plus 10 is 245. 245 plus 10, 255. So just keep on adding 10. Okay. Always remember how much does it take to count 1, add 2. Like I taught you adding 10. That is adding 10 to the hundreds place. So you give 1 to the other side, right? Okay, now the units house is full. So many numbers in units house. Now let's see, for example, in units place 8 and 7 is there. So you have got 15. Now writing complete 15 here will be too big for the units house. So you need to give something to the tens also, because tens house is very thin. So let's give something him to eat. So we are going to give this one to tens. Okay, so that everything is equal. Let's see this with the help of example. Let's say it is 628 plus 357. So take 8 fingers and let's count to 7. 7 more. So 7, keep in mind, using 8 fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we carry forward the one on top and write 5 below so that the entire burden doesn't come out units. Now let's add. We have to take this also. Okay, 1 plus 2, that is 3, and 5, that is going to be 8. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. So your number is 985. So this is going to be our math town where we learn through different stories. Alright. So first is a rice shop. So if there is a trader who sold rice over 3 days. On the first day he sold 212 kgs of rice. On the second day he sold 386. And on the third day 259. So let's add all of these. 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 9. Let's count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here 17 we cannot write like this. So we are going to, let me erase this. We are going to remove this 17 and we are going to write 1 over here. Can you see 1 written over here? So we are going to write 1 over here. Now we are going to take that one also, okay? So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 8. 10 and 10 plus 5, 15. So again 1 came. So we're not going to write it over here, but instead we are going to give it to hundreds. So we write 1 here and 5 below. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So the shopkeeper or the trader sold 857 kilograms of rice. Now quick fire. Okay, so there are library donation 381 books and 51 donated. So it's 381 plus 51 is going to be, let us write and do it, 381 plus 51. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write 1 on top of 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So you got your answer. It's 432 books. So fruit farm, there are 478 mangoes and 256 chiku. So total number of trees are going to be 734. Why don't you try to solve, students, about factory growth and the market basket? Alright, see now, your Gauri, she goes to buy fruits and the fruits are worth 295. So she hands the shopkeeper 3 notes of 100 rupees. So that is going to be 300, right? So it's 300 and she has to understand now how much change she will get. Just simple, you can count backwards from 295, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So that is going to be 5 rupees what she is going to get in return. I hope you have understood this, students, about how to add, how to carry forward, what to do if there's too much burden on one particular house. So we move it to the neighboring house. Let's solve a few examples from the textbook as well. Gauri brought 1 kilo apples and 1 kilo chiku. Then what's it cost of total fruits? So there were 235 plus 60. Because 1 kilo, that is 12 and 12. And add it. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 3, 9. And 2 as it is down. So that's going to be 295. Next, let's add this by vertical and horizontal both. They have told. Now horizontal, you have to take the side numbers. First we add the 5 plus 0, so units place. Then we add the tens place. 6 plus 3, so 9, and 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. 4, 5, 7 plus 2, 1, 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 4 plus 2 is 6. 354 plus 513. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then we have 5 plus 1 as 6. 5 plus 3 as 8. 675 plus 324. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now horizontal arrangement, like I told you, we take this 7, that is units, and 1 again units place. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. And 1 plus 5, so again 6. So that's 668. Students, you can solve the remaining 2 questions on your own. Let's make the smallest and the greatest 3-digit number. So out of 243, the greatest number is 4 and then 3 and then 2. So 432 is greatest and 234 is the smallest. You can find their sum as well. Okay, students, we learned about addition with carrying over. So let's solve this example. 8 plus 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 1 we carry on the 10 side and 5 we write here below. Then we have 1 over here. So we're going to add that as well. So 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. And 6 plus 3 is 9. Next, 212 plus 386 plus 259. So keep 9 in your mind, bigger number. Then 9 plus 2, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6 is going to be 17. So we carry forward 1 and write 7 below. Then 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. That's 5 here and 1 over here. Then we have 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and 6 plus 2, 8. Students, you can pause and note down the notes for the exercise. I've already explained these questions while explaining the way out for addition. So I am just going to move forward. The books in the library, I had given some other example for the same in the beginning of the video. But I'm going to solve this one question with you, that is the workers are 352 and new workers were 187. So they have asked that this information is given. You need to frame an addition. So how we framed is, in a factory there are 352 workers. If 187 new workers are recruited, then what will be the total number of workers? So we are going to add 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 5 plus 8. This is not there, students. 5 plus 8, we keep 8 in mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 down and 1 on top. Then 3 plus 1 is 4 and plus 1 5. So that's 539. There are few more informations given. You have to frame the example and solve. I've given the solving part over here, but the examples are not framed. So you can put the examples in your notebook by framing each question of your choice. I hope students you've understood this video, understood this concept of addition and subtraction. For subtraction video, you'll have to wait because I'll be posting part 2 soon. So first you watch addition and then move towards subtraction. Thanks for watching.